Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a makeup tutorial on this glam look right here. So if you want to know how I achieve this look, just keep on watching. Let's get it. Firstly, I like to put on a headband so my hair doesn't get in the way when I'm doing my makeup. And I'm going to start off with my eyes. The primer that I'm using is the Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer. So I'm just going to grab that on the fingertips and just put that all over my lids, so my eye makeup can just stay intact the whole day. Once that is done, I'm going to also put my face primer. So once I've done my eye makeup, my face will be all primed and prepped for me to start doing my foundation and all that. So I like to use the NYX Photo Loving Primer in the anti-redness one, which is the green bottle, and just dot that around the areas that have a lot of redness. I've got a few redness around my face, so I just like to put that in. And then once I've used that primer, I like to go in with another primer by MAC to just put all around the areas of my face that I did not prime. Once both of my eyes and face are primed, I like to start doing my eye makeup. The palette that I'm going to be using is the Morphe 35O palette, the one that looks like this. First shade I'm going to be using is the one right here, which is under a red kind of toned shade. With a fluffy brush, just a crease brush, tap up all the excess and start putting that all over my crease. I'm going to do the same with the other eye, since I can see if it's symmetrical for all the steps that I do. Once I'm done, I'm going to go back with the warm tone brown that I just used for my crease, also a mixture of this cool brown tone, and just use both of them and mix it together. I'm just going to use a fluffy brush, another fluffy brush, and just blend everything together so there's no harsh lines. Once I've got that done, I'm going to use my concealer and conceal my lids just to get a nice base for my eyelid color. I'm just going to let that dry for a couple of seconds. Use a flat tipped brush and just get that top first row, second column shimmer shade, which looks like kind of champagne kind of color. I'm just going to put it all over the lids where I put the concealer. I'm just going to use the fluffy brush that I use for my crease, since it has a little bit of the product that I use, and just blend everything all together. Once that is all blended, I'm just going to use a cotton bud and clean out the areas that have excess eyeshadows. So just at the outer corner where I just want to create that kind of precise line. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty highlighter and use the shade Hustler Baby, which is the more shimmery kind of one. And use a flat tip brush again, a small one, and just put that in my inner corners as well as up my brow bone. Done with that, I'm going to use my Huda Beauty Samantha lashes, which looks like this. And just pop that on my eyes. Lashes on, I'm going to start doing my eyebrows. The eyebrow product that I'm going to be using is the Brow Definer by Anastasia Beverly Hills in the medium brown shade. So I'm going to do it off camera and then I'll see you guys soon. Once I'm done with my brows and my eyes, I'm going to start doing my foundation now. The foundation I'm using is the Bond Sway in the shade Warm Beige. So I'm just going to grab some on my fingertip and just dot it around my face. Once I'm done dotting my face with the foundation, I'm going to use my damp beauty blender and start blending everything out. Once I'm done with foundation, I'm going to use the Instant Age Rewind by Maybelline and just use that underneath my eyes, on top of my forehead, around my T-zone, around my nose as well, and just below my cheekbones, just to brighten up the areas of my face, and use the same beauty blender and just blend everything out like that. Once everything is blended out, I don't use any finishing powder or any setting powder since I already have dry skin, so I just go straight onto my bronzer. The bronzer I'm using is the Hoola by Benefit bronzer, and I'm going to just use an angled bronzing brush. It just looks like that, so I can get into the precise spots that I want my face to be bronzed in. So I'm just going to do around my right here, around my jawline, around my forehead. So it's like a 3 that I'm doing, a 3 figure to do my bronzer. Once my face is bronzed up, I'm going to do my favorite and last step, which is doing the highlighting, which I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty, the Hustler Baby tone as again, my favorite highlighter right now. So I'm just going to put that right there. I'm in love. See, I didn't even use that much, and like one stripe is already enough. And that's it pretty much to my tutorial. I don't really like doing any lipstick since it just will get the focus out of my eyes. So usually I don't put any lipstick. I just like to use my normal lip color that I have right now, just my normal one. And then put like a lip gloss or a lip balm on top of it. But yeah, that's pretty much the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!